I want to count my money again. Oh no! All $28 are missing! Come on, Tom! We need to find it now! We went this way before. We must keep looking. Maybe the money is in the grass. I need to check near the benches. Look down. The money could be anywhere. Tom, maybe we should check this street first. Oh no! I hit the trash can. Let me help you, Ben. I slipped and fell. And... Ouch. That really hurts. Ben! You have a banana peel on your head. Ha ha ha! Okay, let us find the money. Hey, we must put the trash in the bin first. Okay, we must keep the street clean. Done. Where could the money be? Maybe it fell near here. Tom, look! I see something green. Could that be our money? Oh no, this is only an old paper. We cannot stop now, Tom. We must keep looking. Maybe the money fell in the market. This crowd is so big, it is hard to move. Oh no, I am so sorry.
You made all my water fall down.
We are sorry. We need to go now.
Stop right there. Pick up all the bottles first.
We are in a hurry.
You are making me late for my delivery.
He is so scary. We will pick them up now. Good. We finished picking up everything.
Be careful next time.
Let us get out of here now. Maybe the money is not here. We need to keep searching somewhere else. This is not working. We should look from somewhere higher. Ben, look! You can stand on that ladder. Let me look around from here. Ah! I fell again. Ben, are you okay? Ha ha ha! That was funny. Do not worry, Tom. We will find the money. Excuse me, we lost $28. Did you see it?
No one saw it. This is so bad.
Did you see where our money fell? I am so tired. But we must keep trying. We worked so hard. We washed cars and babysat, but now our money is gone.
I am sorry, Ben. This is all my fault.
It is okay, Tom. We will not buy the robot anymore. We already have many toys. Wait, I see something there. Maybe it is only old paper again. I need to check. Tom, it is money. We found it! It is $50! Ben, we only lost $28. This is not our money. Do not worry. No name is on the money. Now we can buy half of the robot. We can ask Mom for the other half. Ha! Ha! We are lucky again! This is amazing! Let us go home and ask my mom for more money to buy the robot.
Tom, look at that grandma. She looks worried. What is she looking for?
Oh no, I cannot find it. I lost my money for medicine.
Ben, this could be her money. I think this is the money she lost. But we are so close to buying the robot. She needs this money for her medicine. You said no name is on the money. No one will know. But she is old. She really needs help. If we give it back, we will have nothing again. What should I do now? We can lose the robot, but we cannot leave her like this. You are right, Ben. Let us return her money. Grandma, we found this money. Is this your money?
Yes, that is mine. Thank you so much, boys.
Wow. Now we do not have money for the robot anymore.
I want to give you a gift for your kindness.
Tom, what do you think she will give us? Wow! Wow! A toy store? This store has so many toys. Tom, look! Is that our robot? Wow! Yes, that is the robot!
Mom, why are you here? Were you buying medicine?
Yes, dear. I lost my money, but these kind boys gave it back to me.
I can't believe it's finally here!
I think I know what they want. This robot is for you both.
Tom, this robot is $100. We worked so hard, but we still could not buy it. We only returned her money. We do not deserve this.
Nothing is more valuable than kindness.
This is the best day ever! We really got the robot! Our dream came true! It is time to learn now. Today, we will learn 5 new words. The first word is missing. Wow. Say with me. Missing, missing, missing. Missing means something is lost and you cannot find it. My parrot is missing. Where is he? One of my blue socks is missing. Where could it be? It's just not here. The second word is bench. Say with me, bench, bench, bench. A bench is a long chair for many people to sit on. I like to eat my apple on the park bench. Put your heavy bag on the bench, Tom. Great idea. The third word is ladder. Say with me. Ladder, ladder, ladder. A ladder is a tool to help you climb up high. Ben uses a ladder to pick oranges. Be careful on the ladder, Dad.
The fourth word is delivery. Say with me, delivery, delivery, delivery.
Delivery means bringing things to a house. Look! Ha-ha! The toy delivery is here. The delivery man is very fast. The fifth word is curious. Say with me, curious, curious, curious. Curious means you really want to know something. I am curious about how ants live. What is in the box? I am so curious. Now, let us practice together. Say with me. Missing, missing, missing. Next, bench, bench, bench. Ladder, ladder, ladder.
Delivery, delivery, delivery. Next word. Curious, curious, curious.
One more time. Missing, bench, ladder, delivery, curious. It's easy, right? Let's write this lesson in your notebook. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun lessons. Goodbye.